Today, we're diving deep into something many of us experience but rarely talk about. Those nagging, repetitive thoughts, what I like to call rabbit holes. If you've ever felt like your mind is stuck on a loop, replaying past events or worrying about the future, you're not alone. This is super common, especially if you're navigating tough emotions, anxiety, or healing from trauma. Ruminations are like those unexpected detours on your healing journey. They pop up automatically, and honestly, we can't completely avoid them. It feels like problem solving, right? Like, if you just think about it hard enough, you'll find a solution. But often, it's just problem replaying, pulling you deeper into emotional pain instead of finding a way out. So, the goal isn't to stop them entirely, but to learn how to make a U-turn and gently escape that rabbit hole. The first step is tuning into your internal GPS. What are your personal warning signs? Pay attention to your body, your thoughts, your feelings. Does your heart race? Do you get that knot in your stomach? Do you start feeling worthless or overwhelmed? These are your brain's signals that you're either heading into or already deep inside a rabbit hole. The moment you recognize these signs, that's your cue to act. Often, when we're stuck in a rabbit hole, our minds are either dwelling on the past or fretting about the future. We need to gently pull ourselves back to the present. Try your favorite grounding technique. Maybe focusing on your five senses or taking a few deep, calming breaths. Just naming it. Even silently saying, I'm in the rabbit hole now, can activate your rational brain and start shifting gears. Your ruminations are valid. Thoughts like, what if I'd done things differently? Or, why did that happen? Are incredibly common. It's okay to feel sad, angry, or anxious about past choices or future uncertainties. Give yourself permission to feel these emotions. Here's a cool trick: schedule a worry time. Dedicate 15 minutes, say in the evening, to really lean into those thoughts. When they pop up at other times, gently remind yourself, thanks for the thought, brain, but I'll think about that during my designated worry time. This creates boundaries, retraining your attention and giving your emotions a specific outlet. Remember, your brain often ruminates because it's trying to find safety. So respond with comfort, not harsh logic in those moments. Nes, and practice gentle mindfulness. Instead of chasing a thought, try observing it. You can reframe it to, I'm noticing that I have the thought that, or visualize your thoughts floating by like clouds in the sky. Finally, let's talk about the U-turn. Just like when you realize you've taken a wrong turn while driving, you make a U-turn. The same goes for your thoughts. Even if it feels tempting to stay in that familiar rabbit hole, make the conscious decision to turn back. You can always revisit it during your worry time. But not right now. Ask yourself, what can I do right now? What is truly under my control in this moment? You don't have a time machine to change the past or fast forward to a perfect future. So, focus on the now. Remind yourself, maybe things are messy, maybe the future feels uncertain, but I don't need to fix everything right this second. I can focus on what I can control in this present moment. Learning to navigate these rabbit holes is a powerful step in taking back control of your mind and your peace. It's a journey, and every gentle U-turn you make is a victory. See you next time.